Yine Antakya'dayız. Bu arkamızda gördüğümüz bina bir kiliseydi. Koreli kardeşler tarafından satın alınıp restore edilmişti. Restore edildikten sonra abinin hizmet için kullanılmaktaydı. Agape yazısını da görebilirsiniz. Çok harika, çok güzel bir kiliseydi. Güzel de restore edilmişti. Ama bu kilise de aynı şekilde yıkıldı, darmaduman oldu. Dear friends, thank you for your prayer and support. These last few days have been really hard. There is still a lot of confusion and the number of deaths are rising. I had a chance to go to Antakya on the day of earthquake to meet with local believers. Most of the city has been destroyed. Shama's radio in Antakya is still not working because the city doesn't have electricity and internet. We are not able to enter the building with our equipment and don't know the state of it. Turkey is currently in a 7-day mourning period until sunset on the 12th of February. In the light of this, Shama has changed the broadcast to slow Christian music, scripture and news updates. How can you help us? First of all, pray. Pray for the well-coordinated rescue effort in the affected areas. Pray for those trapped under the rubble. Pray that those suffering will receive food, clothing, and shelter. Pray for wisdom for our leadership as we make a plan for moving forward. If you want to give to the earthquake relief, write to shema@shemamedia.com for more information. And share this information with other people you know. May God bless you.